Hi everyone, I am Christine Maria Mulim, a BSc first year student, and for today's activity, I will be doing to illustrate the basic variables and how to input function. So there are four basic functions, but first let me type it and I'll explain it to you guys afterwards. Let's put in is publish right false 10 print price print 18 then print name. So here it is. So there are four basic functions I will be going to execute. The integers here, the float, which is here, string, this one right here, and the boolean right here. First, we will write 10 in the price because it's just like a thing that is stored in a container. So 10, this one will be stored in a container which is called price. That's why it is called price. String on the other hand is that we will use a decimal right here. We are going to use the 4.9 decimal point, and it will be stored in the rating. Right one right here. And that's also the variables that Mosh told us. String type. We'll be going to use either single, double, or triple quotation, but there's one that here we're going to use for the single quotation. In the Boolean, we will represent one of the values, which is the true or false. Right one here, this one, it is shown that if we were going to run it, it will show the thing that is right here. So if we were going to run it, then here it is. It shows the thing that we did put here in this place. So these are the basic variables. Next one, for the input. For example, we are going to interview someone to ask for their full name, age, favorite color, or and and his or her status. So let me type it first again, and I'll explain it to you guys later. Full name. We are going to use a single quotation, then type the name. Next one is the age. Oops. 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 So right here, this is the given information that our interview has given to us, like their full name, which is Angel Diaz. Oops, wrong spelling. Here it is, Angel Diaz. Her age is 24 years old. Favorite color is black. And we asked if she is a single, but yeah, she answered false. Oh, I'll explain it to you guys later why I did use the underscore. Mm. No. I did um I did put as underscore here because it separates words in our variable name. And here, the last part, we did ask if she is a single person or not, and she answered she's taken. That's why we type it here false. Hmm. The next thing we would do is that we will be going to receive the input from the person that we interview. So like, yet again, I'll be going to type it first, then I'll explain to you guys later. Full name, input. I'll explain it to you guys then again why I did put some space here right here. Full name. Next one is her age. Age. Input. How old are you? Oops. The next one is her favorite color. Input, then ask what is her favorite color. Then let's type green. Then her answer. Space. Oops. Got to add space here, addition sign, and favorite color. The last one is we're going to ask her if she is single or not. Oops. And this is it. First, hmm, first right here, we did we did add input because we will be going to use the variable that Python, which is the input. It indicates that we have received the answer from the person that we interview. After that, we'll be going to type in our first question, which is what is your name? Then, if you have pansin here, we did add space right here because uh, we did add space for it here for us to be able to be readable when we run it later. Mm, we will be go next is we will be going to generate the response from the person that we interviewed. What we'll be going to do is that we have to use the print variable, use use a parenthesis right here, and add the single quotation hi and then add the plus sign or the plus sign. This indicates that we will be going to combine the answer that the person that we interviewed has given us, and right here her full name. And it is just the same method that we used in the second, third, and fourth question. Right here we asked how about your age, about her favorite color, and we asked if she is a single or not. So the next thing we will do is we will be going to run it right here. This one right here shows the input that we write about her name. So we're going to answer this. Angel, yes. And type enter. And right here it shows the generated answer that Python has given us about her age. She is 24 years old. Then next. So this one right here shows the generated answer that we type this in this part. The next thing is her favorite color. She answered her favorite color is black, so we're going to type black. Next is right here. This is her answer, which is we did get from this one right here. And the last part that we asked if she is about her status, if she is single or not, and she answered no. And this one right here shows her answer, which is she is not single. And that's it. This is the end of our activity for today's video. Bye bye.